Y'all, if there is a tip that I can give you with this style, do not submerge yourself in water. I really see why people say to install this with human hair, because that synthetic hair in the wrong environment, Okay, so it has now been a little over a week. Ooh, has it been a week or 2 weeks? It's probably been a week and a half. Okay, yes. It is now almost 2 weeks since I have installed these island twists. I have been wearing it up in a bun the past 4 or 5 days because, y'all, if there is a tip that I can give you with this style, do not submerge yourself in water. I went on vacation and I submerged my entire body in water. I really see why people say to install this with human hair, because maybe 2 or 3 days after it started to get matted and tangled, and I just have not had the time to sit down and cut them out because I wanted to do it on camera to show you guys. So I'm gonna take them down. I do love this style. I actually really do enjoy this style. See? This is a really cute hairstyle though. I definitely would do this again. And if I can splurge on human hair, I definitely would splurge. This hair is supposed to be a synthetic and human hair blend, which I think it is because in some areas the hair is still fine. So I'm just gonna show you what it looks like right now. Eventually the hair kind of wraps around the twist, so the twists end up looking more like a boho lock. I don't mind the look, it's just I want my twist not to be clumped together. So that's really what this detangling session is gonna be for, just to make sure I don't have this anymore. First, I take my Mr. bottle and fill it with water. I add a little bit of the Kinky Curly Not Today Detangling Leave-In Conditioner and shake up the bottle. I start by putting my hair into 4 sections. I spray the water conditioner mixture all along my hair, focusing the application onto the curls. Then I separate each twist from any tangling that caused them to start matting together. Next, I take a twist and separate each curl from the twist, and I snip any knots or scraggly ends. Next, I use some mousse to reset my hair in the twist. I am using the Lotta Body Wrap Me Foaming Mousse, and I just take 1 pump and run it along the entire twist. Now to remove frizz from the curls, I am using the Got To Be Extra Glued Styling Gel, the black bottle. I take a pea-sized amount, maybe even less than that, and smooth it along each curl individually, and that's it. I take the next twist and do the same thing. Separate the curls from the twist, cut out any knots or matted curls, snip the scraggly ends, run some mousse along the twist, then apply some Got To Be gel to each curl. Okay, so we are done with the refresh and I love it. They're like new. This is all the hair that I cut out. I think because these are larger twists, it's easier for me to go in on each twist individually and detangle, hit it with the mousse, cut out any snaggles or tangles or frizzy pieces, and yeah, we are good to go. As always, all of the products used are linked in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Please like this video before you go and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. God bless. Get into it, you know? Get into it.